Hey, how's going guys? You are watching Prime Technical Support YouTube channel. I hope you are having an absolute fantastic day. So many of my subscribers demanded me on Instagram to make a video on Android tips and tricks. So I thought to make a video on it. So watch the video till the end. And don't skip the video. If you skip the video you will miss the tricks. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel then please subscribe to my channel, and please like this video. So without wasting any more time let's get started. So the first trick is about YouTube. Because many people want to play YouTube videos in background. But they don't want to download any third-party app. And they don't want to buy YouTube subscription. So first open the official YouTube app and play any YouTube video of your choice. In my case I don't want any copyright strike. So I'm play a no copyright video. Then take the timeline till the end. And now minimize the video. Now open YouTube Shorts. Just watch for 1 to 2 seconds and close the short. Now open the video again. And bring the timeline to the start. Now just see the magic. You can close the YouTube and still play the video. So let's get into trick number 2. Many people want Android tips and tricks. And also want many of the paid subscription for free. Also many want paid courses for free. And also many people want to learn ethical hacking for free. So for all of them I bought a trick to enjoy all of the premium content for free. So to make it possible you need to install Telegram from Play Store. And now you need to search for Skullbot, and click on Start. Now you are welcome to enjoy all premium content for free. This bot have many features. You can check it yourself. So let's get into trick number 3. So many people have a phone which have only 32 GB or 64 GB, but they want to store large files on their device. But it's not possible because of the storage limitations on their phone. So I have bought a trick to store unlimited files on cloud. I am not talking about Google Drive, because Google Drive only offer 15 GB of free storage. So first create a Telegram channel. Name it as Unlimited Storage. Now don't add anyone. Then make the channel as private channel. Now you can upload any files on the channel. There are no restrictions. So if you like this video then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. And also like this video. Because I work very hard to make quality content like this. I also have a Telegram channel. Link is in the description so please follow me on Telegram also. Thank you.